Have you ever wondered how much easier trading could be if you always had a professional trader by your side? My name is Nathan, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to my new trading assistant that I developed with a team of professional traders and developers. With 8 years of experience in trading, I finally decided that it was time to take things to the next level. So meet my AI bot. This tool is designed to analyze markets, provide insights, and improve your trading decisions. Trading is not always straightforward. Over the last 3 to 4 years, I've had my fair share of ups and downs. That's why I created this AI bot, so traders like you can navigate these unpredictable waters. The performance of AI bot exceeded my highest expectations. I didn't expect it to perform at the level it did, and I clearly underestimated my own design. But my aim was to make trading accessible for everyone. That is why this robot is completely free. You can try it out by simply clicking the link in the description. I've tested this robot myself for 9 months before releasing it to the public, and now I can finally say that I'm pleased with the results. I want to share it to everyone. If you want to try it out for free, send me a message on Telegram saying I want to trade, and I'll provide you with the full access to the AI bot. It will include full technical analysis on each signal provided. This bot won't overwhelm you with notifications. It will only alert you when it's time to trade. If you decide to join in, the AI bot will analyze the situation, suggest which pairs to trade, and indicate the direction. All you need to do is decide whether to follow its recommendations or not. If you are ready to enhance your trading, let's dive in and elevate your trading to the next level.